Let me show you how you can get the Google Calendar widget on your Mac desktop. So at first, what you need to make sure is that you have an iPhone or Apple device like iPad, which is connected and uses the very same Apple account. So as you can see on this Mac, I'm connected with this Apple account, but on the iPhone, I also have the same account, and on the iPhone, I have that application. But then on the Mac, you can see on the left, I have a couple of widgets, so I can right click on that area and click on Edit Widgets. And now this panel is going to show up from the bottom. I can scroll through the suggested apps, and some of these apps are from a Mac, but others are from the iPhone, right? And below, and part of the list of apps below, you can also find a Google Calendar. So when I tap on it, I have the ability to add 3 types of widgets, but as you can see, it is from the iPhone. So it is not necessarily from the Mac computer, but you can see that I can add, for example, this small one in there. You can add it and move it to the place you want like this, and just let me close the panel of widgets. So currently it doesn't have much going on, but I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to click on edit the widget, and I can rename it, resize it, and so on, right? But when I click on it, you can see that it opens up the iPhone app. So in order to set it up on the device, you can see that the iPhone that is connected is actually going to show up. So as I say, it is all put together, and that's how it is going to work. So, it's not like you can just install Google Calendar widget without the iPhone. It has to be connected, but once you have the iPhone on the screen as well, using the, of course, iPhone mirroring app, then it will be connected and it is going to show the widget on the screen. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm going to wrap up the video right now, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.